Well, my friends, this is another pathetic case of a child aged about only 1.5 years. The child suffering from blood cancer. The name of the blood cancer in practice of medicine is known as leukemia. It was already diagnosed from the allopathic medical colleges that the disease is acute leukemia. The symptoms of acute leukemia: bleeding, anemia, and bleeding from different parts of the body. See, there is mentioning that bleeding from the gums on and off. And recently, bleeding from the rectum is also developed. So, a case of acute leukemia, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. In short, it is called ALL. The child was treated in the medical colleges, allopathic medical colleges, Nil Ratan Sarkar Medical College and Hospital. According to the patient party, they have behaved very badly, and 2 or 3 days interval they are coming and returning their home without any efficacious answer from them or consolation from them. They are very dissatisfied. Bone marrow transplantation is the main choice of treatment. However, from the private hospitals, it is very costly. The innocent and poor patients have come from Malda. They are very poor and not such financial capability to change the bone marrow. With the bad behavior of the physicians and not satisfying any soluble answer, they have come to me for homeopathic treatment, if possible, for any further progress. So homeopathy has treatment. We must try to improve the health of the life, actually the span of the life of these cases, in spite of best treatment and bone marrow transfusion are limited or restricted. Because you have first to know what is leukemia, what are its classifications. You know the leukemia is a type of cancer that affects the white blood cells of the blood while forming in bone marrow. Bone marrow ভিতরে যখন blood তৈরি হয় সেখানে গন্ডগোলটা হয়ে যায়. The white cells of the blood are not properly formed and start to increase in number in a malignant way and spread to the peripheral blood. WBC প্রচণ্ড হারে বেড়ে যায় এবং দ্রুত গতিতে বাড়ার মতন চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে পড়ে. The white cells are crowd out the bone marrow and interfere with the formations of the red cells and platelets and leads to anemia and hemorrhages. The course of leukemia may vary from a few days, weeks to many years, depending on the type, depending on the variety. Males are affected more frequently than the females. So what I have told, in short, in brief, leukemia is actually a malignant disease of the bone marrow of unknown cause, which leads to a great increase in the number of white blood cells. The cells become abnormal and inactive and cannot control or overcome the infections of organisms such as bacteria which invades into the system of the body. The leukemia, according to practice of medicine, are divided into two groups, acute and chronic. Acute has two varieties, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, and acute myeloid leukemia, AML. And chronics are divided into two groups, chronic lymphocytic leukemia and chronic myeloid leukemia. Now, acute lymphoblastic leukemia shows a peak incidence in children aged between 1 to 5 years. This child also suffering from acute lymphoblastic leukemia. So, acute lymphoblastic leukemia has the peak incidence of children. There is accumulation of more blast cells in the bone marrow, which causes bone marrow failure. So, the name acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Do you understand? You have developed acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Acute myeloid leukemia. What is acute myeloid leukemia? It is the lowest incidence in young adult life. একটু বড় বাচ্চাদের হয়, এরকম ছোট বাচ্চাদের acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Have you understood? You have developed acute lymphoblastic leukemia. And acute myeloid leukemia has the lowest incidence in young adult life and rise over the age of 50 years. বড়দের ক্ষেত্রে বেশি দেখা যায়. It is about 4 times more common than the acute lymphoblastic leukemia. The myeloid refers to other diseases also. Now, chronic lymphocytic leukemia occurs mainly in the middle-aged man and gradually increases tiredness, anemia. এইসব সিমটমগুলো প্রথমে দেখা যায়, অনেক ডাক্তার ধরতে পারে না, কিন্তু রোগী দিন দিন দুর্বল হয়ে পড়ছে, উইক হয়ে পড়ছে, অ্যানিমিয়া হয়ে পড়ছে। স্প্লিনটা পরীক্ষা করলে দেখা যাবে যে অনেকটা বেড়ে গেছে। দি স্প্লিন নট গ্রেটলি এনলার্জ, but the limb glands also increases in size. And there is dragging abdominal discomfortness and indigestion into the system. It is the most common variety of leukemia. Now, another variety of leukemia in the form of chronic, which is known as chronic myeloid leukemia. Chronic myeloid leukemia occurs mainly in the middle and old age. Chiefly, the age is between 30 to 80 years, with a peak incidence of middle age about 50 to 55 years. The presenting problems: anemia, infections, painless lymphadenopathy, and some systemic changes like night sweats, weight loss, and loss of appetite, etc. The leukemia has 3 phases. Number 1, the accelerated phase, which control become more difficult. The chronic phase, the disease is responsive to treatment and easily can be manageable or treatment is possible. And blast crisis, the disease transforms into an acute leukemia, and this is the cause of death in majority of patients. So leukemia is not a matter of joke, my friends. Many homeopathic physicians have very, very poor knowledge about practice of medicine, so they cannot diagnose the cases and naturally do not know the prognosis of the case and the mode of treatment they should follow. The clinical features are usually those bone marrow failure, which causes anemia, bleeding, or infection. The diagnosis is confirmed by examination of the blood. The white count may be more than 2 lakhs, the majority of cells being abnormal polymorphonuclears. The aim of modern treatment: we have studied in the practice of medicine, the aim of modern treatment of the leukemia is to use drugs which destroy all abnormal cells in the blood and bone marrow. The treatment is greatly improved the outlook of acute lymphoblastic leukemia, but patients are still lymphatic leukemia Many patients is still healthy more than 10 years after the start of the illness, and is likely that they have a complete cure. In homeopathy, the treatment of every individual is based on entire totality of symptoms, and deep active anti-miasmatic constitutional medicine is to prescribe. For this child, innocent child, the symptoms are gaseous cold very easily, which is also written by the allopathic physicians. Intermittent fever with cough and cold for last 2 months due to lack of immunity of the body. So symptoms are gaseous cold very easily and bleeding from gums off and on, bleeding from the gums on and off, already diagnosed, and recurrence cough and cold. So hemorrhagic diathesis, though, is a common symptom of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. The child has developed gaseous cold very easily, bleeding from rectum, from gums, and desire for cold drinks. বাচ্চা জল খেতে চায়, হাত দিয়ে বারবার দেখিয়ে দেয়. There is very much sensitive about the noise. So phosphorus is a great anti-seborrheic medicine. It has desire for cold drinks, cold water, and bleeding diathesis, the hemorrhagic diathesis, and profuse thirst and catches cold very easily. So I do like to prescribe phosphorus in 50 millisiemens scale of potencies. Let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends. মুখ দিয়ে মারি দিয়ে রক্ত পড়ছে, মলদার দিয়েও রক্ত পড়েছে বললে কয়েকবার। ঠিক আছে, দেখা যাক।